Are you flying into Haneda International Airport? Here are 5 hotels just steps from the terminals. Let's go! First cabin, Haneda Terminal 1. It's located inside the airport, so you can literally walk off your flight and check in. Business class cabins start from $88 per night. They're sleek, compact, and spotless. More space than a capsule, but just as convenient. They're perfect for solo flyers. Hotel Metropolitan Tokyo Haneda. It's right next to Terminal 3, with a direct walkway to the airport. You'll find stylish, spacious rooms from around $116 a night. Some even have runway views. There's also a sleek rooftop lounge with airport views. Perfect spot to unwind before a flight. Villa Fontaine Grand Haneda Airport. This hotel is directly connected to Terminal 3 via Haneda Airport Garden. Their modern rooms start from around $130. Comfortable and surprisingly quiet. It's connected to a huge shopping and dining complex. And there's a natural hot spring on site too. The Royal Park Hotel Tokyo Haneda. This is another one inside Terminal 3, right next to the departure gates. You'll find smart, soundproof rooms from $174 a night. Super convenient. And what if you have an early flight? Their breakfast buffet starts at 6 a.m. and has both Japanese and Western options. Haneda Excel Hotel Tokyu. This last hotel is inside Terminal 2, just a short walk from domestic flights. They have comfortable and quiet rooms starting from $204 per night. The runway view rooms are most popular. And if you're hungry, the breakfast buffet has everything from eggs and miso soup to fresh pastries. Heading into the city? Check out my other Tokyo hotel videos for more great stays.